Let's use our daily field reports. Daily reports will assist your team track project progress by utilizing the Pantera Tools mobile app, which is compatible with iOS and Android devices. Start by selecting your project. Click on the Daily Reports tab in the navigation menu on the left. On the left side of your Daily Reports page, you'll find a complete calendar display of your monthly project progress. Green on the calendar shows days that daily reports were submitted. However, the days marked with red indicate these days were missed in submitting the daily reports. Similarly, any days that are marked blue indicate a day off. At the top of the calendar, you'll find the weather conditions for your project site. Let's start with the first tab, Work Logs. Your work logs display daily project information, such as who was on site, colleague information, and total hours that have been submitted for the company. To submit your daily work log, start by clicking on the Add Work Log button. Enter your name and the number of hours worked. If there were any additional overtime hours worked, be sure to log them in the appropriate field. In the description section, add any details or notes regarding the workday. If there are any photos from the project site to share with the team, simply upload them in the bottom of the pop-up window. If you have notes to share with the team, click on the Notes section at the top of the Daily Reports page and select Add Note. In the category drop-down menu, select the type of note to add to your daily report. Enter your notes in the text section and upload any photos directly below. Expense reports are delivered as separate PDFs in the daily submission confirmation emails. To log an expense that occurred on site today, click on the Expense tab at the top of the Daily Reports page. In the expense log details, enter in a brief description, cost, payment method, and notes for the expense. To log any products delivered on-site, click the Deliveries tab and click Add Delivery. Start with the time delivered and select the vendor who delivered the product. If you have a tracking number or purchase order, add these details in the text field below. Similarly, you can add a brief description of package contents and notes regarding the delivery. Surveys in your daily reports allows you to ask specific questions related to your company. These questions are customizable in your daily report settings. We'll circle back to these settings shortly. To answer each question, simply click on the Not Applicable, No, or Yes buttons next to each question. If you have any additional notes or images to upload regarding the question being asked, insert them accordingly. You can also mark individual survey questions as required if needed. To create a new custom survey template, open the Settings and go to the Templates section. In the drop-down menu, select New Template. Here, you can name your new template, make it the default template on new projects, enter the survey due dates, and add custom questions. To add an attachment to your daily report, simply drag and drop or click to download in the box. You've finished your daily report. Now it's time to share with the project manager and supervisor. To submit your daily report, select the Submit button on the calendar. To share a daily report, select the day you want to share and click the Share button at the top of the calendar. In the pop-up window, you can directly type in the contact name or email address to share the report, or simply copy the link to share externally. Your contacts will receive an email notification to download this daily report. To export a daily report, select the day you want to download and click the Export button. A drop-down menu will provide 3 different options. All will export the daily report's PDF as well as all the attachments linked to this project. Reports Only will export the work log into a PDF report with your company, name, address, and logo, as well as weather conditions at the project site. Attachments Only will export only the attachments for the project. In this example, let's export the full daily report and select All. In the pop-up window, you can customize your report settings by selecting or unselecting the sections that you want to include in the report, as well as the report size. When you're ready to export your report, click the Download button. When your daily report is finished downloading, you will find a clean and easy-to-view PDF of your daily report. To customize your daily report settings, click on the gear icon at the top right of the screen. To designate your workdays, simply select the days you want to include. Days that are excluded will be marked with a gray color. Similarly, in your daily report settings, you can designate a report due time. To establish the due time, click on the Report Due Time field to type in the time, or click the Report Due Time field to select a time. In the Time pop-up window, select AM or PM and use the arrows to change the time of the hours and minutes. If a daily report isn't submitted by the due date time, project managers and supervisors will receive an email notification or push notification on the mobile app stating that the report was not completed on time for that day. In the Settings pop-up, scroll to the Templates section and select a survey template by clicking the pencil icon. Here, you can edit the template name, as well as set these settings as the new default. Update the survey due dates by highlighting the days of the week. In the survey sections, you can remove questions, edit the questions directly in the text box, as well as change the cadence of the questions. To add new questions to the template, click on the Add Question button at the bottom of the screen and type in your new question. In the notification sections of your daily report settings, select from the drop-down menu under Notification Mode. User type and project contact settings will send notifications based on each user's project settings. Custom recipients per day will allow you to choose which project contacts receive daily report notifications on each day. Disable notifications will cancel all notifications regarding the project's daily reports. Click on the Reports button at the top of the Daily Reports page. In General Settings, you can export all submitted reports for the project, or select a weekly report to generate a report. To create an expense report, select the PDF or Excel option that you prefer to download. The report options will allow you to select the dates you want the report to include.